This one's continuous, it's okay. Emily.
Please start from English.
Homework. Okay, for number one, what does a satellite image show? The answer is B. Everything is in a place at a time. The photo is taken. Number two, which place is shown? Shown is both the map and satellite image on the right page. B. Airport. Number three, what do maps use to help people find place? Drawing of street, building, and landmarks. 4. Based on the project page 31, which of the following is listed as the favorite place? Swimming pool. Okay, fill in the blank. Is an island and an island. A continent is a large land area on Earth's surface. The main business and shopping area in the city is called downtown. Maps help us to find where. I forgot the choices. Can you show me the choice? The place are how to get there and what's around them based on the story on page 38. The family brought to bring sandwiches for their picnic. Number one is if you are in a new town where you prepare a map or satellite image. So I prefer to use a map because map is more clearly than a satellite, and then map also can show us the real street, and then the way the road also. Number two, what will map help us to find the location? The map help us to find location by the image and then the name of the roads also, and then the name of the place. Number one, what does the extremely mean? B. It's only a little to stay healthy. Number two, the phrase serving size refers to the amount of food recommended for eating. Number three, which term is used for food you should eat the most? B. Eat the most. For which of these fits the eat the most category? B. Vegetable and fruits. We should eat the most servings of fruit and vegetable, food that are rich in protein, include meat, fish, egg, and nuts. Number three, the healthy food pyramid recommended eating. Three serving of fruit and vegetable each day. Food at the top of healthy food pyramid should be eaten sparingly. What is the bottom part of the food pyramids? Mention the example. The bottom part of the food pyramids that food give us more carbohydrates like bread, noodles, pasta, and then whole grain. And number two, why should we eat more vegetable and fruit than sweets? Because vegetable and fruit give us minerals and vitamins to stay healthy than sweets.
Give us
There's no difference.
because holiday.
Yang number one, identitas memiliki setiap suku bangsa disebut B adat. Number two, suku Toraja berasal dari provinsi A Sulawesi Selatan. 3, suku Asmat berasal dari A Papua. 4, salah satu faktor penyebab suku bangsa Indonesia adalah C, bentuk wilayah yang kepulauan. Number one, pasar merupakan salah satu fasilitas umum. Indonesia dipenuhi oleh beragam suku bangsa yang tersebar seluruh Indonesia. Toleransi adalah sikap menghargai perbedaan pendapat, yaitu kebiasaan orang. Toleransi Itu rasa. Setengah rasa biasa.
Toleransi apa dan rasa?
Tenggang rasa.
Sikap menghormati.
Toleransi. Tenggang rasa yes. Tenggang rasa menghormati. Ya, perasaan orang lain. Toleransi menghargai.
Next.
Yes. Ya. Oke, dalam bahasa Indonesia kita akan mempelajari tentang kalimat majemuk. Kalimat majemuk adalah kalimat yang terdiri dari subjek, predikat, dan objek. Atau bisa juga kita tambahi dengan keterangan lainnya, keterangan tempat, keterangan waktu. Kemudian di sini juga mereka akan mempelajari tentang penggabungan dua kalimat majemuk dengan kata penghubung, seperti kata penghubung dan, serta, tetapi, sedangkan, atau. Jadi kalimat majemuk ini setara juga mereka bakal belajar apa tuh kalimat majemuk setara, yaitu dua kalimat majemuk yang digabungkan dengan posisi yang sama gitu kedudukannya. Jadi seperti misalnya saya menyapu rumah dan kakak mengepel lantai gitu. Jadi setara dia, ada subjek, predikat, objek. For the so English we learn about knowledgement. It's about map and satellites. So the map show place and some things in there like street and then hospital and parks. But satellites image that photos that taken from the space. And satellite also can be used for there are two kinds of satellites, man-made and then the natural. The natural, for example, the moon. The satellites for man-made, usually the human made for the previous purpose. The previous purpose, for example, for research or communication or knowing about the weather. For the function of the maps and then satellite, and then also there are some text about maps and satellite in there. So I just asked them to read and then we'll write what is the function. Because we only have 45 minutes for how many page? 5.
Over 5 pages, 45 minutes.
Just want to make it simple.
Okay. Next.
This one, okay. For this one, the healthy food pyramid. Okay, is a simple guide to show you how much of each type food that you should eat every day. From the first, the main for the best. From the first floor, maybe this is, you can imagine like this is your house. So in the first floor, you can say this is the main food that you need to eat every day. This is consists of the carbohydrates, for example, rice, grains, or oats, or noodles that give energy for you to do your activities well. And then in the middle, the second floor, you can eat the vegetable and fruit to help to give you vitamins and minerals to help your body become healthy, and then help also you to repair your muscle, protect your body also from the sickness. And then the third, maybe there are you need to eat also like the fruit that consists of protein like meat, fish, egg, to help you to build your muscle and your bones also, because this food consists of more calcium. And then on the top you need to eat the springly, the food that it's friendly. Don't eat too much because that can harm your health. Okay, so this is the maps and satellites. Which one is the maps and satellites can do? For example, this one, continents. Continents we can see from the satellite. and then the country also we can see from the satellite. This is satellite. This is I think watch and answer. How can we learn about some place? Listen and point. They in here they only know. Okay, this is the satellite image. The image that can we take from the satellites. This is the satellite image of the satellite. The satellite is an object that moves around the planet in our space. And then the city. This is the city. You can see from the maps also. And then the city center. City center. You can see also by using map. This one.
So what is the function of satellite?
The function of the satellite is to show the different. For example, the satellite made by human. They can know about the weather and the communication between the astronaut and the human in the Earth, and then for the research. For example, research in the around the space like that. For maps, just show the, and then the satellite also give us the knowledge about the different part of the Earth in this year. In this year, for example, there is a different from this country. The satellite can take picture of that one. But maps only show about the roads and around and more detail.
So this one the answer.
Okay. They help people find place in towns with using maps. They show how place change. We use satellites. They show everything in a place satellite, and they show only some things of the in the placements.
Oh, so it's better to use satellite.
Yeah, that's the
Because it's
difference.
yeah, it's more complex.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Next. Okay, last section. This one. Aliens. It's sparingly.
It's friendly, mean you eat a little bit, eat a little bit food for to stay healthy. It's friendly means eating certain food to stay healthy because this food high in sugar and salt, for example, chips, candy, and soda. Eat too much can harm your healthy.
Satellite.
Satellite is an object that move around the planet in our space. Satellites is an object that goes around the planet. Satellites consist of there are two kinds of satellites: man-made and natural. The example of natural is moon. The man-made you usually use for research, communication, and knowing about known weather.
Continent.